Engineers Without Borders is a national and international organization that works and partners with communities to help them build and develop their own self-assessed list of needs and provide the expertise to implement those sets of needs.
EWB basically defines sustainability as leaving a community with a project that they can maintain on their own. They don't have to reach out to us to do it. If they need parts, if they need repairs, if they need anything, they can handle it on their own. They don't have to rely on us.
We take our projects in different stages. So the first step is an assessment trip. So we'll send a small group to the community to see what's what. So we send the group there, they meet with the local officials, and they get an idea of what projects needs to be completed, what needs to be done. And so with that, we lay the official groundwork, introduce ourselves saying, hey, we're interested in helping you guys out. What do you need, or what do you feel that you need to become a better society, or what do you think is lacking in your society? And so that's our first trip. And then usually we'll sign a contract with them saying, okay, we have identified this and this as your needs, and we're willing to do this with you. And so then we come back over here in America and we start planning. So what we're going to do to help them fix this need. So we form a team and we start working on the project. And then through the project, we'll have different implementation phases in conjunction with the local community.
We do a lot of research and planning to make sure that our project is sustainable. One of the biggest parts of our initial plan is that the community has to provide a certain portion of the finances for the project. This demonstrates that they have what they need to sustain it after we're done. We also do a lot of research and a lot of communication with local sources to make sure that they can get all of their parts and repairs right there at home.
We'll say we'll come and help design it, but before we come, we need certain stuff to be accomplished, like if that's them digging a trench or getting the materials to the site before we come. And so that way it's also a partnership, that way they have some buy-in, that they're actually working on this project with us. And then we also have an educational plan that we develop. So if it's something new technology, or we're introducing something new to the community, and so we're going to make sure that after we leave, they can still be able to use this, and if it breaks down, they know how to fix it. And so we have the educational plan that also goes along with our new design, so we can teach the members of the community how to upkeep the system.
We're not there to get emotionally involved with how their life is different and not as good as ours, so we're going to go there and fix it for them. No, that's not what we do. We identify a community, we work with them to implement their needs, we engage the local government officials, and in this way we really believe that we've created a sustainable model, meaning that if we don't come back for 5, 10, 15 years, what we designed is still working as it was intended to. And that could also mean that we train the community well to maintain their own projects.
Honestly, I really do believe that EWB is creating sustainable change. We emphasize so much, and EWB headquarters emphasizes so much making sure that our project is sustainable. That's a huge focus for us, and I think we achieve that quite well.